Yeah, here's a new vintage electronics project. It's not audio, it's a video. It's an original Atari 2600. They didn't call it a 2600 when this was made, it was just called the Video Computer System. Now I bought this, I used to live in Sunnyvale, California, where these were made. And I had friends that worked for Atari. And they could get stuff that was factory reconditioned, at their workplace. And I think I bought this from one of the friends. So let's see, it was reconditioned in 1981. This worked just fine for many years. I think sometime in the early 90s it stopped working. So time to take it apart and see if we can get it working again. There's a number of YouTube videos already on how to work on these, and so I don't know if I'll even do this, or maybe I'll just cut it real short. But one thing I did notice is that the ones I saw online were for the 4-switch type, and this is the 6-switch one. And I believe this is an earlier model, because the ones that I saw, the videos I saw online, this was just a kind of a, I don't know, piece of foil metal or something, this dust shield, where this is like a cast aluminum shell here. So much more heavier duty. So I've already taken the deoxit here and cleaned up all the switches. So they should be good. And I might go ahead and plug the AC in and see if that little 5-volt regulator is still regulating. I did just check the ESR on these two caps and they look good. So let's keep going. Alright, I think I've given up on the 2600 for now. I checked all the switches, power, all the capacitors, everything's good. Power to the chips. I think I may have an issue with one of the chips, so I'm going to try to find another one of these in a thrift store and see if I can harvest some parts out of it to get it working. But what happens is, when you power it up, I do get a display, and there's a black and white switch, game reset, it does something. Game select, the switches do something, but and it's different for every game. There's some strange action, and it basically doesn't operate. So that's it for now. I will go ahead and I want to play the 2600 games. I'll just play them on the 7800, which is working. And then hopefully get some parts eventually for this thing to try to get it working again. So not a successful repair, but a little bit of a learning thing. So learn something from it, and hopefully eventually I'll get it working.